Welcome to 1 Minute Math. Today we're reviewing dividing integers. The rule for dividing integers is just like multiplying. Same sign positive, different sign negative. So if both signs are the same, the answer will be positive. If one is negative and one is positive, the answer will be negative. Okay, here are two examples. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Both are the same sign, so the answer is positive. Then we have negative 72 divided by 8 is negative 9. They have different signs, so the answer is negative. Now you try it. Pause the video so you don't see the final answer. Remember, same sign positive, different sign negative.
2,000 years later.
Here are the answers. 27 divided by 3 is 9. They're both positive, so the answer is positive. Negative 42 divided by 6 is negative 7. Did you get that one right? They're different signs, so the answer is negative. Hope this helps with the rules for dividing integers. If so, please like and subscribe. Check out the playlist of the integer rules for more helpful tips. Thanks so much for watching.